Hey, what's up YouTube? This is the Collecting Attorney back again with another video. Today I have a blaster box of Bowman Platinum. I have two blaster boxes that I managed to pick up. I'm going to open one in this video, one in another video. Quickly get into this. You see the odds here. You get 7 packs per blaster plus a bonus pack, so 8 packs. And 32 total cards, so 4 cards per pack. Let's see if I can find the odds here. There are the odds. There are short prints of Alonso, Tatis, Guerrero, and Jimenez. And we'll see what we get. So the bonus pack is exclusive parallels. We'll leave that to the end. And here are the packs. I'm going to set the odds so that I can see what they are and tell you about them if something cool comes up. And let's get started. And that was not a great start, and neither was that. Alrighty, well, I guess we'll just have to rip home my. Well, bear with me, folks. We're going to be opening this pack for the rest of the video. There we go. Okay. Now let's see if we can get these cards out without damaging them. There. Wow. There's got to be something good in this pack because it's making me work for it like crazy. There we go. All right. Let's get started. Brady Singer. There's Vlad Guerrero Jr., so that's a short print, I believe. That's a very nice one. I love the sort of chrome look, or the rainbow foil look to these cards. Design is much lighter than last year's, but it looks pretty nice. Alex Bregman and Albert Pujols. So very cool. We got one of the short prints in the first pack here. So hoping that may continue, and we'll get. I'd like to get Alonso. I think he is actually going to be the standout rookie from this year. He's just been performing really great. Nick Madrigal. There's a Prismatic Prodigies of Jonathan India. There's the back of that. Cedric Mullins. And Starling Marte. Luis Garcia. Rafael Devers. Ryan O'Hearn, rookie. And Jose Abreu. Taylor Widener, Giancarlo Stanton, Aaron Nola, and Max Muncy. Can get color parallels in these. Josiah Gray. There's a Platinum Presence. That's an insert. 1 in 7. And that one is Miguel Andujar. That's a really nice looking card. There's the back. Just a regular insert. But really, really sharp looking card. Anthony Rizzo. and Paul Goldschmidt. They have this sort of, I don't know if you can see it in the camera, it's sort of like a hexagonal pattern in the background. All right, 2 packs and then the bonus pack. Still no color parallels in this box, or no autographs, but we did get the Vlad Guerrero Jr. insert. Matt Mercer, Matt Chapman, it's a nice Shohei Ohtani, and Trey Mancini. There are some variations in terms of photo variations. I'll have to go back through later and check to see if any of these are photo variations. I don't think they are. They've looked pretty standard. So, Davy Garcia. It's a renowned rookies insert. That one. Let's see. Renowned rookies. It's 1 in 7 packs, so 1 per box. Ryan O'Hearn. Another nice insert. Austin Meadows. And JD Martinez. So no color in that pack, but did get the Vlad short print. So I hope everyone enjoyed this this quick look at. Oh no, I'm too quick. We have the bonus pack left. So bonus pack or exclusive parallels. There's a cracked ice look to him. Yusei Kikuchi. Williams Astudillo for the Twins. That's a nice one. He's actually, I think he's going to be back with the, look at the way that the shimmer and shine on that. I think he's going to be back with the Red Wings, so I might try and take that one and get it signed. Eli Morgan and Luis Robert. Not a bad one to get. Luis is looking like the next big thing. So, now I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, click like, subscribe, and come back for the second blaster box sometime soon. Thanks everyone. Goodbye.